Hello world and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I'm just a little barefaced because I literally only have on my face the products that I will be talking about today. Let me quickly grab them. I am talking about the Clove Hallow Mineral Pressed Powder. I am talking about the Clove Hallow Liquid Tint, and I am talking about the concealer, Correct and Conceal Concealer in this video. So if you want to see how I apply these products, how I think about these products, how I think about them, what I think about them, then definitely keep on watching. But before we get into that, just know I record with natural light. Everything that I do is natural light. So the overexposing, you see it when I'm like the sun is super strong. Hey, real life, you're gonna see that, how it looks like in strong lighting, but you're also gonna see how it looks like right now. So just know that you are seeing it in every form of lighting because the sun just keeps on playing peekaboo with me. So anyway, I'm gonna get into this video. Just know that if you're brand new, I make clean green beauty videos here on YouTube. My name is Yami and I'm really glad that you stumbled upon my video. But alright guys, let's get into this video. So when Clove Hallow had their 25% sale during their anniversary, I ended up purchasing quite a bit of their products. However, I'm gonna review the Complexion bundle that I ended up getting. I ended up picking up the liquid tint in the shade 05 from Clove Hallow. I ended up picking up their compact, which is sold separately from their actual mineral powder pan foundation. I couldn't think of the word. So I got the foundation in the shade 05 as well, I believe. And I got the compact. The compact was $8 and the pan I believe is $22. I will leave the correct numbers on the top for you guys. I believe this is like $24 to $26. I'll leave again the correct numbers above. And then lastly, in the Complexion, I ended up picking up the Clove Hallow concealer in the shade 03. So excuse the kind of grungy feel I'm going for today. I need to wash my hair, but I'm not. Also, the background is brand new. I'm in a new space. We moved to a townhome and we have a new space for our office. So this is where my husband and I go to get a lot of work done. But the background, I'm thinking about adding some fairy lights, something back there. I'm not 100% sure yet. So as soon as something is figured out, it will be in the background, so just bear with the plain background for right now. Now again, I did mess with these two, but I have not messed with the liquid tint. The concealer I'm going to go in with first. I'm going to use a compact mirror for applying this. The concealer I'm going to apply just really quickly, not everywhere. I'm just going to apply under my eye. I'm going to take a beauty blender and I'm just going to blend this under my eye. I'm going to take this up to my eyes just to make sure that I cover that per liter. So here's the concealer just sitting under my eye. I kind of try to drag it down into like a form of a V so that it can really brighten that area. I really like this concealer. I know some people are saying that it's too liquidy, is not really thick, but I kind of like that because it blends like a dream. This concealer thoroughly impressed me yesterday when I was playing with it, and I still feel the same exact way. It blends like a dream. It is so light under the eyes that it really does seem like there's nothing there. Love it. I really am digging it. I think that I found my like everyday go-to concealer. I'm gonna go in with the liquid tint next. I have not played with this at all, so this is literally first impressions. They say you can do, see I haven't even opened it. They say you can use your fingertips, you can use a sponge, a brush. I'm going to use a sponge. I'm gonna put that much in the back of my hand. I may use more, I may not. I don't know how intense of a coverage it's going to be. I'm going to take my beauty blender and just go right for it. Oh wow, this is very light coverage. I was expecting like a punch of a coverage. maybe the Beauty Blender just soaked it up. I'm going to use whatever I have left on this side of the face just so that I can see if when I apply it just directly to the face on the other side, if maybe that's the reason why it looks so sheer, because I'm going in directly with the Beauty Blender. I'm gonna get a little closer for you guys actually. So I've only done this side of my face, and here is how it's sitting on this side. You can see that you can still see my pigmentation. So I'm wondering if I apply, because I have nothing on this side, I wonder if I applied the liquid tint directly to the skin and then the Beauty Blender, if anything would change. I am not mad though with the feel of this, because an everyday go-to makeup look for work, this would be beautiful. So I'm going to back up a little bit and then do the liquid tint directly on my face and then see. All right, so I applied that all over my face. Now let's see if that changes anything. It looks the same. I'm going to try to build it up again over those spots and see if it becomes more of a medium coverage. And I'm not going to take it everywhere. I'm just going to take a little bit more of the product over certain areas that I want more coverage, and I'm going to see how it sits on those areas. This blends, guys, so beautifully. Like, I have no hard job here. I feel like I just barely bounce it and it just blends so nicely. I do like the finish. The finish is very like satiny. You don't really feel like that tackiness on your skin, which is great. I really do like that. Me and my camera are about to throw down. It literally stopped recording. So quickly, just recapping, I did finish going in with the liquid tint. I did a second layer over certain spots and it blended beautifully. It still had a bit of redness peeking through, so I decided to go in with my mineral the mineral pressed powder in the shade 05. I took this powder and I just went into my T-zone area. I went here, and which is my T-zone, and then my chin, and then I took a little extra of the powder and I just started to kind of go into certain areas that I felt like I needed more coverage. I tried this product on its own yesterday with the concealer, and the concealer helped give it some coverage, but this powder, if you're someone that likes to have full coverage with a product, this powder is not going to do that for you guys. So I would say this is a powder that you would want to put over a liquid tint or a concealer, because you're not going to get it on its own. So I'm just going to give you again my last finishing thoughts on the products. So out of all of these products, the concealer is by far my favorite. I would say the second favorite product for me would be the liquid tint, and then third would be the compact pressed mineral powder. Together, guys, it's actually a beautiful melody. It sounds really weird describing it like that. The concealer to me is so beautiful. It blends so nicely that I feel like I can use this on its own without going in with the Clove Hallow products. So I'm really excited that I found this product. I think I found a new favorite go-to concealer. The liquid tint, let me open the compact and see it again. The liquid tint, guys, literally seems like it is your own skin. So I would say the max coverage that you would get with this product is a light medium to kind of a medium. I think the blendability of this is really nice too. It has sat more like a satin matte, so it is kind of like a more matte feel, but it's not the matte that you would think that it looks really dry and cakey. It looks really nice on the skin, which I like that a lot. Now lastly, for the compact, I really enjoyed it paired up with these products. On its own, it's not a product that's going to give you full coverage. So if you're a girl that just wants a little something something and get out the door, then I can see you guys gravitating towards this. But if you're like anything like me, you want a little bit of coverage on your face, and this product alone won't give that to you. But if you do go in with like a tint, a concealer, a little bit of foundation, and then this as your finishing touch, you guys are going to love it, because I feel like this blends really beautifully as well. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you want to see any other videos kind of like these, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. God bless your face. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.